Guten Morgen, half a day, and Hickian. I hope everyone's having a good time. Oh, and of course the air kicks on now. Either way, today we are playing Omi Oh My AI. It's a cute game, right? I figured nice to go away from the spooky stuff, which is not a bad thing, but this is a dev gifted game, and I believe it was in development for 7 years. But let's get into it. Disclaimer: to complete Omi Oh My AI, users may be directed to visit external websites or review local game files. Links and instructions of this nature mentioned in-game are intentional and part of the experience. Please note that all names, characters, and incidences referenced in this narrative are artificial. No resemblance with actual persons, organizations, or products is intended or should be inferred. Photosensitivity warning. This game includes a flashing light pattern effect which may not be suitable for some users. To turn it off, visit the settings menu. So understand. I'm just making sure. Cool. Yeah, so like, I know there's black bars on the side, but that's part of the experience. He's so cute. Settings. I do have it on that, so if I do... Oh, there's no 1920 by 1080. Ooh. Typewriter effect. I'm gonna say fast. Dithering effect. Screen pixelation. It adds to the vibe. I'll keep it on. The unsuitable screen shake and content speed are not altered. Hidden ref. Spoiler. Game glitching. Okay, well. Choose this. Will that fill in some of the bars? No, it doesn't seem to change. What if I do this? Nope. It still just gives you bars. How about that? Oh, this is a little bit more. But the question is, can I see the bottom? Because I don't think my screen is that big. Alright, well. You lose a little bit of the bars, so we'll just keep it that. Alright, audio. I'm gonna say voice the loudest. I'm gonna boost this. We're gonna say... Right? Check my settings. Yeah, we're good, we're not peaking. Alright. Disclaimer. I'm assuming that's the, like, content warning. Credits? Oh, it goes into it. Okay. We will get back into that. He's so cute. Green Senior user wear Omi, your artificial intelligence AI puzzle pal. Join us for a captivating adventure by learning to see the world the AI see it. To start, select all squares containing dogs in the Civic puzzle, then click submit. Dog. Success. We learned that dogs come in many forms. Can you find them here? Dog. It's 104 puzzles. I'm ready. What about this puzzle? If you are not sure, it is okay to try. Omi will activate the hint button after one incorrect response. Dog. Wow, you are just like an AI. Complete the rest of this set and we can teach you about a new type of puzzle. Dog. Puppy dog. Dog. This is cute. Current track. I am someone, I am friend. Can I do words? No words. Oh, he's just in a bag. Dog. What if by playing this game, there is an AI out there that ends up using this game as their thing and they're like, you're right, this is all dog. There is no dog. There is no dog. See 0 dogs across 0 squares. Hello world, does this work? Omi apologizes for that abrupt visual artifact. Omi's software is far from perfect. Omi will attempt to prevent further disruptions. Let us continue to puzzle together, new user. To complete words puzzles, type what you see, then click submit. Okay. Or I guess, okay. Omi reads left to right, with or without space, and allows lowercase or capital letters. Okay, friend. Always check the puzzle prompt to know what you need to search for. Can you type the letters here? Oh, sorry, it's pug. It's still dog. You got it. Complete the rest of this and we can show you the last puzzle type. Type the dogs. Okay, so it doesn't have to be capitalized. Beagle. Is this a dog? I don't know that dog. Because I was like, wiener dog? But it said Weimer. So I'm like, Terrier. Pomeranian. Shiba Inu. You are now ready for the final puzzle type, numbers! To complete a numbers puzzle, you must count the prompt objects, type the answer, then click submit. Try it. 1. Count the dogs. Well, Omni only understands whole numbers and absolutes. If we can see it, we count it. The prompt is now asking you to count the numbers instead of dogs. How many numbers do you see in this puzzle? 1. It's tricky, but you got it. You are now ready to take on the number puzzle. Can Omi count on you to get through them all? Count the dogs. 2. Count the dogs. 3. Oh. If you're on vertical, ignore the angry cat avatar. I'm typing numbers, which of course is what my thing is tied to. Hey! I didn't touch anything. Why did you go back to the main screen? 3 dogs. Did you know that sheepdogs are dogs, but not sheep? Oh, sorry, you're right. It's 2. 1. Oh, did we lose our music? Count the dogs. 0. Oh, I think I hit next. Current track, game jamming. Well done. Omi sees you're ready to attempt a full puzzle set. Omi will now save your progress. Before you continue, please accept your report. Omni introduction. Met someone today. Introduced to image, text, and number puzzles completed. We will learn together. Loading confetti.
Celebrated success.
Cleaning confetti. A new puzzle theme is now available. From now on, you'll be able to switch between image puzzles, text puzzles, and number puzzles within a theme set. Use the tabs at the bottom of the puzzle panel to change the puzzle type as you complete the tutorial. And if you feel like something different, you can change the current music at any time using the music player. This song is one of Omi's favorites. Good luck, user. Cinnamon Smooth. Okay. I just get to look at cute dogs. This is great. Dog? sees one dog across one square. Omi sees one letter O. Oh. But this has the dog in it. Unless they mean like this. Select the dogs. Oh, wait. There we go. That didn't have a dog. Puppy dog. Dog. Oh, sorry, it's ears. I forgot his ears, I'm sorry. Sand dog. Dog, 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 dog. Type the letters. Dog in German. Well, dogs. No dogs. Oop. Dogs, please. Did you know that puppies then take a year or more to gain their full body weight? Type the letters. Ha. Thanks for the dog fact. Hot dogs. I kind of wish that like this little bar here would like change so you could see how much you have left. But that's just me. Lara? Lara. Love. A. Count the dogs. Well, hold on. What's the next song? Oh my, hello. 0 dogs. Nope, 2 dogs. 4 dogs. 5 dogs. Hold on. Did you know that tired puppies get cranky just like little kids? If you have a fussy puppy, try and nap that. Game jamming. So is it just 3 songs? After the jam. It's very chill, very relaxed. And like, I know the static is going and everything, and I'm like, I'm hoping it just stays cute. I'm like, please just be cute. I think there's this one. I guess a little nose. You did it. Omni can see you are ready for the full puzzle experience. Processing results. Omni will now save your progress. Before you continue, please accept our report. Puppy school. Initial training complete. Able to switch between image text numbers. We will reflect on results. Proceed to supervised learning. Loading confetti.
Celebrate success.
Cleaning confetti. I think it's the cutest thing, and I love it so much. Human users see the world differently to the way AI see it. This next theme will help you reflect on this fact. Did you know there are 20 fables by Aesop about dogs? Omni knows the one about the dog and its reflection. Generates Aesop packs if sets contain a reflection. If a reflection puzzle is bugged, click the link for workaround. I'm gonna click it just to see what it gives us. Oh, okay. So hold on here. Let me. It's interesting that when you're away from it, the music is quieter. So I kind of like that. But this is what it's showing for the Omi Oh My thing. So interesting. Meep meep, a maniac is coming through. What do you mean a maniac is coming through? What do you mean, Lewis? What do you mean? Also, Ian. We're playing a cute little dev gifted game today. Interesting. Hold on, let me see this. Generated in 2015 for the Southwest Game Jam, was hosted. Okay. Random page, help about Media Weeka's special pages. Okay. Well, we might need to come back to this website in a second. But until then, I'm excited and terrified about the maniac, Lewis. Alright, so puppy dog. If a reflection puzzle is bugged, click link for workaround. Puppy dog. Did you know in early Greek sources the dog and its reflection was known as the dog carried meat? Dogs. What's after the jam? Oh, it's his favorite song, Cinnamon Smooth. Dog, 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 dog. So pretty much you have to select the dog and its reflection. Maniac mentioned Nina gets instant worries about what will happen next. I mean, yeah, you can't just be like, a maniac is coming through. And it's like, last time the maniac came through, it was like, how many games were gifted? And now we have our entire 2026 planned, along with a bit of 2027. I have every right to be like, maniac, you better chill. There are no dogs. Did you know the moral of the dog and its reflection is all who coveteth, oft he loseth all? Dog, 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 dog. Is this part of the dog? Yeah. Oh, he's got rolls. Incorrect. Is it not part of the dog? Is it not part of the dog? Oh, I forgot the back of his head. Type the letters. Labrador. Terrier. Ooh, terrier. This is just some AI using me to figure out how to get past CAPTCHA. They're like, how do you know that's cinnamon roll? What? Oh, Mastiff. I was like, Mastiff? And it's like, no, it's Mastiff. Well, hope your day's going well. We were able to finish the Daymare game yesterday. Dachshund. There we go. Maniac better not go filling up all of 2027 as well. Surely the Maniac would know better than that, right? Right? You know, that is a question for the Maniac. I can't tell him no. I can't tell him no, but I can just tell him if he does. Patience is a wonderful thing, and we're doing it. You see, we be streaming almost every day. We take Monday off so we avoid burnout, because that would be worse to never do it. And then we do our dev games. What is this? Oh, Dalmatian. So, I'm not gonna stop him, but I'm just gonna let him know that he gonna have to wait. He gonna have to be patient. Ooh. Pug and then Bagug? Dang it. No, it's Pug Bagug. Pug-a-bagug. Type the letters. Mastiff. Count the dogs. 2. What? Did you know the moral? The dog and its reflections, but dogs have reflections? What? Did you know there is a French retelling of Fable 133 known as the dog who relinquished his prey for its shadow? Interesting. 2? It's 2 dogs. 0 dogs. 1 dog. 2 dog? 2? What? Only reflection. Processing results. Omi will now save your progress. Before you continue, please accept our report. Problem definition A. New concept lock. Developer comments. Link to external site beyond Omni. Possible communication error occurring. We will find alternative ways to access information. Celebrating success! I happen to know that the Maniac is quite patient individual. Well, good. Good for him. I'm glad he's patient. But I'm also like, what is it? What are they? Animal, dog, human? Wow, look at them. They're figuring it out. Sign, drawing, self, poster, door, water, window, screen, mirror, reflection, roll. Reflection of animal, of dog. Wow. Omni cannot see through the looking glass, but it seems that you can. How exciting! It looks like you have got the hang of this theme. Let us continue with part B. Omni generates ASOP packs. If sets contain a reflection puzzles, but click for workaround. Okay. Boom, boom. I think what they're saying is that, like, it's not these pictures are in here, it pulls from there, and sometimes they're a little broken. And if they are, go to that website. So I'm like, okay. Puppy dog. Puppy dog. Ah, I forgot his ears. I'm sorry. What are they? That's a good question, right? One of the many mysteries. Making sure, like, tip of the tail isn't out. The reflection is, though. Does this count? Or is this part of stick? That might be part of stick. Sorry. Yep. His face is on that stick. Ooh. Interesting. Did you know the moral of the dog's reflection is Omni? Omni, you good? You good, Omni? Dog. That's not a dog, that's a cat. AM. South. Oh, you're right. South. Ooh. Type the letters. I see K. Well, I see we have only 3 left, so I'm curious if the theme's gonna change again. So the moral of the dog's reflection is to not be taken in by appearances. Taxi. Axie. Objects in mirror are closer than they appear. West. Oh, is it like double? West. West. Did you know the moral of the dog's reflection is... Oh, you're repeating fact number 6, I see. M-A-M-W? A-W? Nope, that's not an M, Nina. Try again. Mawa. Oh, maybe they want V. Oh, puzzle 105. Ooh. Count the dogs. 2. I think our boy's breaking a little. We've gone past his thing. But it's like, that's the point. That's the intended thing. He is slowly going. You need to take a closer look. Use the magnifying tool located next to the hint button. No, I see him. He's right there. You precious little bean. Nope. Sorry, I didn't mean to put a backslash. Okay, can I put that? Can I put that back? I want to say 1? No, you're gonna say 2 because the reflection. 0? Processing results. Omni will now save your progress. Before you continue, please accept our report. Time to reflect. Loading confetti. There are more potential users of the program Omni History Unknown, unsupervised learning required with new user. Can Omni find out more about them? Celebrate success. Clean confetti. It's so cute. Time to reflect. Omni has allotted time for a spontaneous activity. Please enjoy a fun quiz now. Select your favorite. Hot dog red, cinnamon orange, numbers yellow, sheep green, reflection blue, purple. Slinkus pink, fluffy white, swan black. It says my favorite. I feel like the answer needs to be cinnamon orange because his favorite song is Cinnamon Smooth. I kind of like pink. Answer stored. Select your favorite. Insufficient memory. Personality assessment. Allocate additional memory to continue. Attempting to unpack support wizard. Does not exist. It appears that an error has occurred that is blocking progression. Omni apologizes for any inconvenience this has caused. Checking for solution. I was about to click the cat and they were like, no. Unable to allocate additional memory. Omni lacks the rights to resolve the error. New user would need to go where Omni cannot. Please seek potential solutions. External websites may contain information about console commands. Software often contains a README file. This would be located at generating desktop icons to provide a shortcut. Wait, are you really? Status 109% complete. Okay, I'm gonna click the game folder. Oh wow. Okay, yeah, so I am in here. There's a README PDF. I'm gonna read it real quick, I guess. Oh wow. That is pretty cool. Hold on, let me put it up for you guys real quick. Hold on. Oh, I can hear it freaking out. It's not happy. Okay, boom. So this is the README file. So it registers the users as a developer, requires generated credentials, eternal use, Omega machine, intelligence developer console command. So register username, password. Disables error code reporting and error pop-up. Attempts to pull the latest build. Ends the current session. Summon, bring up wizard if Omni breaks. Okay. I like the little coffee stains and the little highlighter. Monty Amnell Software and Computer Engineering Institute of Western Australia. Seaweed Tech. So I'm assuming it's one of these. So let me just zoom in a bit here. Disables error code reporting. I think this is what they want. Right? So give me a second. We now have to deep dive in here. D3, D12? No, that's a DLL file. Mono bleeding edge. Not that. Omi Oh My AI data. Manage plugin resources. Streaming assets. Omni identity. Oh, there's another weird file in there. Omni memories. Oh, it's all our little, like, congratulations, you won. It's those. That's little screenshots of them. So I'm assuming it's the README. So let me go back to Omni, right? Okay. Console commands. Software contains a README file. Can I? Okay, good. Right. Please seek potential. External websites may contain information about console commands. Software often contains a README file. This would be located at generating desktop icons to provide a shortcut. Right. Which we then clicked. And then the README file. Does it mean like my actual console command? I'm gonna give it a shot. EC. Right, not an actual thing. Okay, so how do we do it? Because I'm not the most technologically savvy person. Maybe I have to type it? Ooh, maybe we have to just like type it. So if I /EC disable? No. Menu. Wiki. Maybe it's on the wiki. Alright, main page. Bugs. It's not necessarily a bug. Cinnamon rolls, reflections. Personality quiz. Let's see. Known towards the beginning of the game as if we're puzzles, no wrong answers, no bearing. This isn't really a puzzle, it's a personality quiz. Players can give any answer. Favorite animal glitch. For some reason, Omni only shows the dogs for this question. We haven't been able to track down the photos anywhere in our files or in Omni's knowledge base, and we can't change the question text at all. Choose any square. Playtesters is a known bug. Stop asking about it. Lol, Donna. Okay, so it's like, it's kind of like a meta page, essentially, where it's like, oh, we know. Okay. It's kind of cool, but I'm like, how does this help me? Directions, Megan playtest, Noir playtest, Tom playtest, Donna's mom playtest notes. That's cute. Okay. I am a bit of a dummy. Right, because if I hit the Omni Wiki, it's just going to take me here. Yeah, it just takes me back to that. Right. To provide a shortcut. Please see potential. External websites contain about console commands. Software often contains a README file. This will be located at... Right. And then I read the README file. So... maybe they mean... up here? No, but that's a different slash. Not me trying to figure this out. EC disable. Right, because it's this slash versus this slash. Right, which is why I'm like console command. But I'm like, there has to go something in front of it. Then just type in console command. And be Omi Oh My AI, right? I'm sure somebody is also confused. Involving typing, running, which are central. Progress through this loop, which is intentionally repetitive and at times buggy. Right. How do you use the dev console? Oh, thank goodness. Let's see. I looked all over the wiki, found that one page that had 2 non-redacted commands. If I did figure out nothing, how do you do it? Hey, Teddy, you found the commands, but have you found the way to open up the developer console? Maybe that's where I gotta do it. Okay, hold on. Developer console. Settings. No. Right, see if there's anything behind the main menu. Alright, disclaimer's this. Here, I'm gonna show you what I'm working on. So I think on this website is the developer thing. Maybe I can do /CS disable? No. Good idea. Maybe console command? Oh. Add button. More puzzles. Achievements. No idea. No puzzles incorrect. Skip all puzzles. Need to locate developer console command. Console commands. Find other pages of command documents. Put recovered document and quick reference guide on Steam. Done. New trailer. Okay, so do I need to... You found the commands, but have you found the way to open up the developer console? No. End at puzzle 234. Game bug restarts. A bug and a question. How do you use the dev command? Can't use numpad. Stuck on puzzle. Let's see. Planned features. Download data. Omni-string link to external Twitter on the remote. Okay, well this is the meta. Track of attempted answers behind a feature. I feel so silly because I don't know. Alright, obviously nothing there. So I'm gonna go store page. Right, maybe somebody said something. Maybe somebody said something. Let's see. First chapter. I am the dumb Jack. Right. Registers the user as a developer, requires generated credentials. Right. Developer console command list. Right, this is the console command list, but I need to get to the console command. Attempts to pull data from latest. Ends the current session. Summon. Bring up wizard if Omni breaks. And these are all... Maybe I need to go to this site. Maybe that's what I need to do. Here, I'm gonna SCEIWA. Wait, I'm typing here. Dot tech. I know. Right, we already have this, we have this. So I'll put it here. Western Australia. Is this part of it? I don't know. Prospective students? Doesn't exist. Okay. The Institute doesn't exist. Okay, so I think this website's part of it. For more information, right, continue of any businesses or individually using Omni, the PNL project. With the board of directors, the permanent closure of the Institute. We'll go offline. We encourage all members. Okay, so maybe the backup? Okay. Static mirror of the software, computer, and engine. Primary researcher for Omni, Omega Machine Intelligence. Maintain the infrastructure. Development began in 1990. Okay. Went through several name changes through lengthy development. The AI including Bonzami after the infamous desktop. Okay, so documents? Application, women, Habsburg, what an AI, wanted, declares bankruptcy, audio file of project star. What is the wanted? Oh, participants wanted. Okay, I was like, Okay. No! Dang it. Alright, reopen. So maybe links, missing dependencies, new park bodes well for neighborhood, new angle, Omni caretaker, Omni's cinnamon roll recipe, no, inedible. Featherless biped problems, seeking clarification, bug advice, how to talk, about, facts, Schwalm. Okay, that takes me back here. Okay, so there's something somewhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna make my life a little bit easier real quick. I'm just gonna right, so these are questions, but how do I get to... Okay, no mention of console here. Speed dating? What? Acknowledgement, names, 5 minutes each station, introduction, discuss the icebreaker, wrap up, morning tea, and networking. Favorite thing about Perth? Make a prediction about the future of tech. Your machine intelligence, points of good training and corporate oversight. Found some old notes with our first draft. They are attached. Dog, sheep, chicken, human. Only 2 3 required for identification. Interesting. What is AI? Participants wanted. Declares bankruptcy. I feel like we're probably gonna have to do some like
My name is Dr. Monty Amol. This recording is for authentication purposes on the Parallel Link Neural Network project led by Dr. Isaac. I will start on instant segmentation so that the system can recognize variations within the same category. Dr. Sachdev has also joined the project with her expertise in semantic segmentation. She will ensure the system can classify and further categorize what it learns. That is all from me.
Okay, so that's that. Right, this is the links, which are just emails and articles. So nothing really helping me. And if I go back to the game folder, it just has the readme. And then Unity Crash Healer, and then the actual game. This game is too meta for me. I'm stuck on puzzle 113. Console commands. Like, I know how to get to my console command, but it doesn't make sense. Right? Summon. Bring up wizard if Omni breaks. Oh. How do I bring up console command? Right, because I tried typing in console command to see what we would get. Right, main page. Recent changes. It's made by human bots. Random page. Donna's list of bugs. Special pages. Users' rights. Ooh, maybe something in here? Nope, there's nothing with console. Nothing with command. Nothing with dev. Dang it. Maintenance reports. Without language links protected, protected short, uncategorized. Templates, pages. List of pages. I don't know. What if I do this? Do I get everything? Console. Previous page. How to talk Megan's main. Recover chat logs, reflections. No. Active user list, auto bot passwords change. Remove credentials, user contributions. Maybe? Maybe this? And then the README file? No, I have to register. Okay, I think we're getting there. I think. Right, active user list. 2 actions in the last 30 days. User Xanadu? Cover chat logs between Xanadu and Donna. Can you bring snacks? Let's see. Got rid of the error code for the personality quiz now that we know we need it for the dev console. Can you have a look over the wiki and see if I'm missing? It doesn't say how to open. It doesn't say how to open the dev console. No, I think we agreed that's a security risk. You need to quickly press the version number 8 times in succession. That will enable developer console. Wait. Where? Hold on. What? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold. You need to quickly press the version number 8 times in succession. This will enable the developer console. Easy, forgot it was that many. You can also press quickly until you hear the sound if you forget again. Version number? Version number? Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, it says we unlock the developer console. So hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, what if I backslash summon? Okay, it says I unlocked it, but how do I? You need to quickly press it. It will enable it. You can also quickly press until you hear the sound if you forget again. Well, it says it's enabled, but I can't see it. So, right, just aggressively clicking. Okay. God, that is buried in there. Okay. So then backslash EC disable. Nope. Try to start. 1, 2. So I enabled it, but I can't see it. All right, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna quit. Right. I was like, this is taking a minute to close. Right, we're gonna quit the Omni. God. It says I unlocked it, but I don't know how to type in it. Well, now you guys get to see the opening. So let me just... Whatcha? Okay, interesting. We trying. Ah, didn't mean to move that. So yeah, definitely not my console command. Right. Not his start. Omni has a lot of time for spontaneous activity. Please enjoy fun quiz. Right. Pink. Answer stored. Select your favorite. And then he's like, I can't do it. Right. 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 Black's right. To resolve, new user will need to go where Omni cannot. Right. External websites may contain information about consequence, which is their little wiki site. This will be located here. Right. Generating desktop icons provide a shortcut. Right. So it's like poop poop. Then poop poop. Cool. Right, and then I clicked that and I got the game folder. And then we read that you have to do it 8 times or until you hear the sound. So. Right, ba-ding. And then, what was it? Right, don't leave this. And then EC disable. So I'm gonna /EC disable. Enter? No. But it says I opened it, but where is it? It says it's enabled. Maybe settings? No. Where is it? I feel so dumb. Disclaimer? No. I'm gonna do a refresh because maybe by like opening the dev console it did something in the game file, so I'm gonna open that. No. DLL, you can't touch that. Mono bleeding edge. No, that's, I don't know, I'm going in. I'm just checking out the files. Browser? Nope. Browser, mono, check out 4.0, nothing. 4.5, nothing. MC config, no. It's a Microsoft Edge thing, which that does not help me at all. Omi, manage plugins, resources, streaming assets, not managed. It's one of those meta games. My hip. There, that way you guys have something while I'm trying to look through these files, figure it out. Is it plugins? No. Is it resources? No. Streaming assets? No. Omni identity? No. Omni memories, that's the huzzah, cell brain success. And then the readme file, which is this thing. Alright, well, let's finish reading. Okay. Allow enjoy more complicated. Real job. Blah, 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 blah. Some playtesting. Still no word from Rosie or Monty. Back to assume before I treat would be nice. So I'm out of here. Congrats. Got rid of the error code. Yeah, I'm gonna click that, see where that takes us. We originally intended to patch out because it disrupted our puzzles and was fairly pointless. Then we learned that it was necessary for generating a developer password in order to open the developer console, which we use to download data. So it says, note. That means the console is unlocked. I get that. I have unlocked it, but how do I type into it? Can you have a look at the wiki? Yeah. Texted to you the other day. I see one of us doesn't say how to open it. No, I think we agree that's a security risk you need to quickly press. This will enable the developer console. You can also press quickly until you hear the sound if you forget again. I fixed Megan's speedrunning glitch. I got the grad position. buy some chocolate. I don't think I'm going to be able to work on it anymore, but I'm going to be busy all the time. And it's not like the researchers are getting back to us. They're not going with the whole bin fire. I'll send the bug list. The new job's very exciting. The reflections, if we call them bug, dog, flavored animal. Save the stuff from the personality since we say we still want to keep it. Visual glitches, updates, breaking the save files, Omni repeating facts. So we have it enabled. And I know I need to put in these commands. Requires generated credentials. Let's see. Okay. Pull ends current session. Summon bring up wizard if Omni breaks. I don't want to try this summon again. My question is, where do I type this? Right, chat with Omni. Right, because it says it's enabled, but I don't know how to type in it. Man. Oh. Tab out of the game 20 times. Oh no, I didn't mean to hit quit. No, I didn't mean to hit quit. I was just wanting to see what the achievement was. Dang it! How do you get there? Really? No one else is like put a thing in? I guess we're just gonna read all the discussions. End of Act 1. So puzzle 234 is the end of Act 1. Okay. Let's look at it. So this is about what's happening. Alright, well, we'll put you back in there. And we'll just... I figured out how to enable it. But where do I type it? That's my question. Bug in a question. Let's see. Show the dog looking at some cows. I got the correct answer. Save file. Identify the cause. No, that's the other thing. Let's see. First puzzle of clicking with the low memory sequence plays out seems to break the button, require a restart. I went over every inch of Omni Game Wiki and Secret Tech and couldn't for the life of me find the command that needed to be typed in. I eventually cheated and scrapped the command from a memory dump and confirmed it wasn't accessible on a wiki as a search term. Let's see. I did have concerns about not being obvious enough to locate. However, if you search for command on the game wiki, the one page that you find provides a clue on where to find the console commands. They say that. They make it seem so easy. Right, so we got the personality quiz, right? And if I type in command, we get this. Which skip all puzzles, need to locate developer console command. And I'm like, I get that. Cinnamon rolls and dogs, quiz, recover chat logs, reflections, Steam release. I don't know, is there something where Omni counts every second cinnamon roll as a dog? That's kind of funny. Let me go to special pages. Let's see, login, create. Well, there's login. Change credentials. Maybe change credentials? No, but I need a username, but I don't have a username. Help with logging in. Try that. Media wiki. Generic help page. Have a help link. If you came here looking for logging in and creating, we're not able to help you. Return to your wiki and find a form. Logging in is not required for viewing pages and not even for editing them. However, in short, why log in? How to log in? Login problems. What if I forgot the password or username? I don't don't know if this is a real thing or if this is a meta site. Is this a real thing or a meta site? Hold on. Media Wiki? Tens of thousands of websites, thousands of companies. I think it's a meta thing. Okay. Login is not required. Why log in? How to log in? Log in. What if forgot? Great. Okay. So log in. No. This I don't know. I don't know. Right, if I go here, and then if I go to, because it says login / create account, right? And it's like not invisible. So if I type login, maybe over here? No. I don't know, I'm just gonna put X and X. Nope, okay. What do we need to do? Auto blocks, blocked users. Ooh, maybe bot passwords? Please log in to be able to access this page. Dang it! Password policies? Auto confirmed users. Minimal password length, bots, viewer, suppressors, admins. Ooh. Can I just say show? No, I have to pick somebody. I don't know. Donna? Can I pick Donna? We know Donna. Donna's a person. Donatello. What about the Zandu person? Aren't they a person? No user found. Group all. Talk contributes. Talk. No text in this page. 24 quiz. Game jam. Right. Revision as of, let's see, older version? Restricted. Right, newer version says to open it, click on the version to hear a sound. That means the console is unlocked. I got that, but how do I view it? I've unlocked it, but I don't know how to view it. What links here? Yeah, what links here? No, the recovered chat logs. That doesn't help me. Move credentials, reset tokens, user contributions, user lists, recent changes, logs, new pages, watch list, media, box source, book sources, expanded stats, system version, redirecting, random page, high use pages, most linked to categories, compare pages, export pages, what links here? Right, powered by Media Wiki. That's why I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm just dumb. Right, what if I click it before it crashes? So. Okay, you don't hear it, so you can't finish a puzzle after a long period of inactivity. Excuse you. Yeah, I'm stuck on puzzle 113. Alright. Omi Oh My AI. Puzzle 113. Like, am I just dumb? No. 20 games like Omi Oh My, quirky puzzle adventure. They don't know. They don't know. Bring up a wizard if Omni breaks. Register as a user developer requires a generated credential. Right, but I don't have the generated credentials. Disables error code, reporting error code. Right, I know what I gotta do. I just don't know how to do it. Attempts to pull the latest build, ends the current session, bring up Wizard of Omni breaks. Right, so I hit this, and then do that. Right, there's our little thingy. Can't click nothing else. And our version. I don't even hear the sound now. I think I think the game's headed up to here with me. So why? And then what? Summon? / summon. Register. / register. Right, there's no box to type in. It says chat with Omi, but it's like I'm not chatting with him. He's chatting at me. Right, it's not like, oh, behind it. I don't know, try credits. Because I like the concept. But I'm just... I don't know. Do I need to find somebody who's beaten the first chapter? Because apparently I don't know it. So... that is not what I clicked. What is it? Omi Oh My AI. Right, somebody's played this. Hopefully. I would hope. Maybe they're just much smarter than me.
Okay, let's start it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, all of this. Answer stored. We can pick all of those. Select. Yeah. Oh, wait. Wait, what now? Error. Insufficient memory and C-site personality assessment allocate additional memory to continue. It appears an error has occurred that is blocking progression. Only apologies for an memory. Only cannot. Please seek potential solution external website. Read me. Okay, did and or Steam folder, Steam apps, readme. It says to go to the readme. The SEC disable. Ah, can we type that here? /EC disable? No, we cannot. Steam apps, come on, Oh My AI.
Because it looked like he was able to get past this.
To provide generating desktop icon to provide us.
Oh no, I think they're also stuck on the same part that I'm stuck on. Oh, okay. I misread it. I like saw the little icon and I was thinking like, oh, maybe he got past it, but... oh my goodness. Oh no. Man, yeah, it's just a hard puzzle. Oh. Oh, you got to something. Hold on. Hold on.
So there's no... nothing. Okay. Should we just turn any sounds here first? Let's just turn off every volume here.
Oh, this is an earlier version. That's what I'm seeing. Ah, I thought he got the answer. Dang it. Man. I don't know. I just can't do it. Well, I know they said that they recently patched it, so maybe the recent patch did something. Let's see. Magnifying glass not displaying. Issue with backlog achievements. Bad because some aren't ready and some of them don't have art. Omni generates multiple Omni Wiki icons on the desktop. There is a minor UI flickering on some transitions. Put back the missing README file, which Omni ate. Removed a launch option, which did nothing useful. Friendly AI, right? Is he hostile or manipulative? They really just do love dogs and want to be your friend. And I don't want to reset my progress, because, no. I read the file. And I've figured out how to open the dev thing, but I don't know how to put commands into it, so I don't know. I'm just gonna... What was it again? EC disable? Oh, that's right. EC disable. So, I feel like the command is somewhere in here. Because we were able to open it, but I can't find it. I don't know, do I need to reopen Omni? No, because it's gonna be here again. Right, these are the only songs we have. Right, contains a README file. And then I read the README file. It says register the user as developer. Requires generated credentials. Where did I even get that? Disables error code reporting and error pop-ups. I'm thinking that's what I need to put in to move on. Attempts to pull the latest build. Ends the current session. Summon brings up wizard if Omni breaks. And the internal use only page 5 doesn't have any commands, but it's like, oh, the website. Man, am I really this dumb? I can't figure it out, and it doesn't look like anybody in chat can figure it out either. So, I don't know. We're just gonna have to put on a pause and do some hardcore research, because otherwise I would be here for the next 3 hours just being like, But it's a cute game. And if you know the solution, please feel free to tell me. I'm gonna go probably watch a bunch of other people play it and see if any of them get close to it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. So, Zoo is Bye bye.